In this one, I'm going to do a July update for the site igmorefollowers.com. It's my favorite site, and I just want to cover these services that I think are best. And we're actually going to look at the back end of the panel so that you guys and me together can look at what services are working and how well they're working and all that. So the Instagram services are working the best. TikTok has not been working very well. I don't think the Facebook I don't know. These ones don't really work well, but they do work. I just checked out all of these recently, actually. These ones seem to work well too. But yeah, so here's the back end. So this is where I can see your guys' tickets and your orders and all that stuff, and I can actually help you if you guys have any issues with the site. So what we can do is we can actually look at like this bang for your buck. Both of these are new. They added them, I think, like a week or two ago. Yeah, so these were the first orders. And we can see here for 1700 it cost about $4, and then we can open this up. They started with 1100 and it looks like they changed their username. Let's look at this one. They started with 2400 and bought 5000. So yeah, they lost about 1000 of these, which honestly is fair, because if you look at the description here, it says about 70% will drop off, and that's normally in a month's time. And then this order was made only 3 days ago. Okay, that's kind of crazy. Let's check on this one too. 50,000, they bought 5,000. Okay, so yeah, a bunch dropped off there too. I mean, that's what to expect if you get the cheapest possible service. And don't worry, we're gonna look at like the ones that I recommend. Like these ones are the best ones, so we're definitely gonna look at those. Let's also look at server 2. I think server 2 delivers a lot faster. Like if we open up both of these. Oh, I was only looking at complete. Okay, yeah. So if we do all, then we can see, looks like server 1, the first option we have, takes a little bit longer. It's like 1000 is already done with server 2, so we can look at that. They started with 278, they bought 1000, and they have even over that. Whereas this one started with 69, they bought 2000, and they only have 500 so far. So it's almost been a full day since this order was made, so it looks like it does do 45,000 a day. Yeah, about 5,000 a day, I guess. So we can actually update that. We can go in here, edit description, and do 5,000 a day. Now this one is even faster, so we can say I don't even know how many thousand a day this one does, but yeah, that looks good. Let's check on these medium quality ones. Yeah, so these ones, these were like an older service that they re-added. Looks like they deliver pretty fast. 1000 got delivered pretty fast. So okay, yeah, so they got their full 1000. And let's check like the oldest order there is. They started with 56, ordered 13 of 47. Okay, so some of those did drop off. So yeah, that's what these ones look like. Let's go ahead and go to my favorite ones, which are these ones. And yeah, wow, okay, so this was made late last night, so it's only been like 15 hours since this, and it already delivered 9,000 apparently. And they started with, so they should have like, what is that, 11,000? Yeah, they have 13,000. We can actually look at these two to see what they look like. I forgot to do that with the other orders. They do, I mean, they don't look good. They look pretty fake, but they're guaranteed for 300 days, and the drop off is pretty low. I have been watching these ones for a while. We can actually go back here and see from, I like to look like a month back. So if we look from a month ago, right here, they started with 292 and they bought 3,000. Or this one, they started with none and they bought 1,400. Yeah, okay, they still have the full amount. They have more than the bid. Yeah, so they don't drop off. They're built in a way where they don't drop off. That's great. And if you want the cream of the crop, the absolute best ones, you can do these ones, or the ones that I like even more are these ones. And if you guys want me to check out any specific services, I'm just gonna go over like the follower ones that work the best right now. There's also likes, comments, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, they do likes, real views, comments, repost, shares. Yeah, and then they have all the same ones for TikTok as well. Like the TikTok engagement works fine. It's just the followers for TikTok that have issues, and we'll get into those as well. Yeah, let's go a month back here and let's look at an account that didn't have very many. Maybe this one, they ordered 70 and they had 0. Well, now they made more orders after that. This account right here made a bunch, so maybe we just search by their account and go like this. They started with 5 and they have made they have ordered about 1,500. So if we look at the account, 400 have dropped off. So what we can do is we can actually refill these. There we go. So that sends it to the server, and then the server will try to refill them. But yeah, normally these ones don't really drop off, and we can look at the quality of these. The quality is really good. And yeah, I think these ones are guaranteed for life, or just for like a super long time. But yeah, look at these. They have stories, they have followers, they have following. The names are all good. Like they just look like real. These ones I can guarantee you they're all gonna drop off. I don't recommend doing these. The two that I think are the best right now, we can look at all these, I guess. Okay, I found this one. They did the TikTok followers, 50% drop, fast, 300-day refill, the new service. And if we look at this, they started with 0, they ordered 1,100. They have 700, so that's less than 50% have dropped off, but about 50%. That's what to expect with this. And you can refill it within 300 days. Pretty good. Oh my gosh, these ones are so bad. These ones that say can drop. Look, this guy's ordered, oh my gosh. Oh, these two canceled though. Okay. This one says complete though. He's ordered 1,200 and the account has less than 100. So bad. Maybe that's just like a one-off case. Maybe that account's weird. Check some other ones. So this one bought 1,000. They started with, yeah, no, this one ordered 1,000 and they currently have 500. And then there's this one that has 250 and I think they ordered 1,000. Oh, but this one's a different service. Oh, this one's the one with a 300-day refill. I mean, that's still bad. They're both bad. What's the other one? The real looking fast? Yeah, let's see what this guy ordered because he has some followers still. He has 820 and he's ordered 920 when he started with 100. This is messed up, but I feel like they actually did deliver. Yeah, I don't know. I guess they can stick around, but sometimes they drop. Yeah, even the real looking fast ones like this, they started with 0 and then they ordered, oh no, this one ordered 578. Most of those dropped off. And then let's check on this one right here. They ordered 409. They have 275. So dude, it's super hit or miss. Yeah, it's really weird. I wouldn't trust the TikTok services right now. TikTok services are not working well. These follower ones, the views, the likes, all this stuff, that works well. I've tested that. And yeah, I mean, I always recommend this service right here. They have cheaper ones that are decent. And yeah, I think all of these are working as well. So that's your July update for IG More followers. TikTok services, no go. Instagram services are good. The TikTok and Instagram engagement are both working. And then you can test out the other services on your own. But yeah, I recently tested the TikTok or the Twitter, and the Twitter worked well. And yeah, you can test out the Facebook or the YouTube. I don't really use those. But yeah, I'll see you next month for the update. Let me know if there's any services you want me to actually test and look at. I can definitely look at those for all of us. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Okay, bye-bye.